Do you want to start with the intro?
Definitely.
I know. Let's go. I hope you guys like the intro. For the past 1.5 weeks, we have been working so hard. Actually, Vedas has been working so hard to make
Yep.
that intro, and we hope you liked it. He made us look really cool and stuff. So
Oh, bhai.
yeah, I hope you guys liked it.
अगर तुम लोग ने वो
That's part
background
of the reason you didn't get a podcast last week.
exactly, that's part of the reason. अगर तुम लोगों ने देखा होता वो बैकग्राउंड जो वेदस ने हटाया हमारे पिक्चर से, तो अद्वैत के नहीं, मेरे पिक्चर से जो बैकग्राउंड उसने हटाया है, तुम लोग को समझ में आता है
go and rotoscope each frame from that.
ओ भाई तुम लोग को समझ में आता है कितना काम किया उसने. But
exactly.
Yes, this is episode 11 of the Unengineered podcast, and
how we finally crossed the 10 mark. You know, I got a notification today saying I don't know who, but someone watched 600 hours of our content last week, last month. 600 hours.
600 hours? Are you sure? It can't be 600 hours. You mad or what?
Let me have a look.
It'll be 600 views. It'll be 600 views.
600 minutes. 600 minutes.
600 minutes. 600 hours.
That's still a lot.
That's a lot actually. That's like 10 episodes. All 10 of our episodes.
That's 10.5 hours. 10.05 hours.
Wait.
Damn. You guys are free as fuck.
Then you guys are also very cool and very smart now because you listen to us talking about tech.
Yeah, you should also. You know, a scientist came and told me that watching our podcast makes people 10 times more smarter. That's
exactly.
Facts.
That is facts.
You can increase your IQ by watching our podcast.
Facts and logic.
Yes.
So yes, by the end of every episode, you get more and more unengineered. So it's subtle plug of the hashtag.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What was the quote? Teaching the. The quote he bhul gaya.
The quote was the engineering they don't teach. The engineering you're never taught. Yes.
Arey yaar, it's the engineering you're never taught. Oh yeah, huh.
Yep. It was an entire process going through the whole introduction. And
are we allowed to show them the previous versions? We started with something and we ended at something completely different.
Oh bhai.
But it was so much fun.
It was a lot of fun
with the team, and
it was a lot of fun. Seriously.
So what we did was we had this virtual meeting kind of thing where everyone was on the laptop. They kept us in there and we were all shooting. Not all, just me and Atik, where this was editing. So we would shoot something, we would send it to him, he would edit and check if that's working or not. It was fun. We spent 3 hours doing that.
Oh bhai, Sunday ko.
Sunday ko,
My God, it's already Wednesday. Oh my God.
We are late at recording this.
No, late nahi. It's like the days are going by so quickly.
I know.
It's so difficult for my mind to grasp right now because college is not going on. College, हम लोग घर पे attend कर रहे हैं. Exactly, and
barely.
I have absolutely no sense of time passing right now. It's bonkers.
I write this Notion thing where I write everything in a day, what I did, what I'm thinking.
It's a journal, essentially.
A daily journal kind of thing. And I started it, I guess, 1 week before we started making the app. So for those who don't know, there's going to be an app level. I'll explain that later. But it is week 6 now. So for the past 1.1 month or whatever that math is, we have been building an app, and soon we are going to release the alpha version of it. So some of you lucky people are going to see it. And yeah, I guess that's it. But it's like we have dedicated so much. It's not a lot, but I have never dedicated a month or something consistently to just one thing. I haven't done that.
Yeah, I've done that twice now in the same year. One for Illusion and the other one was Vishwakarma.
Illusion wasn't 1 month.
You're right,
like
actually.
If you count the election process and stuff, it was 1 month. But like a continuous creation.
Right.
And the thing is, so there are different systems in an app that you have to build. Like we have planned this system to build. And the first 3 systems took weeks to build, like a week per system, and the last two systems took 2 days. Like रात को continuous 4 घंटा coding करके 2 days. Although they are not perfect yet, it's just that if we sit down, like the entire team sits down and does it, it happens in a day. So I don't know why.
Also, systems, by the way, are like pieces of code that do a specific
inside the app.
They do some specific function. So those are systems. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
I think soon you'll be adding stuff to the database. I hope that's ready.
Yes, don't worry. It's in the works. Deadline to meet with we see news. So yes, there'll be an app. It'll be out very soon. There'll be beta testers, alpha stage, beta stage, stuff like that. But yes, you'll get relevant announcements. We can't tell you much actually right now. But
yeah, exactly. Like
stick around for the suspense, guys. That's what we do here. We create suspense.
Here's what I'm thinking. For the past 1.5 months, approximately everyone has dedicated their pura time to this, which I absolutely love.
True, exactly.
And I don't know, after the first alpha test is over, like we're gonna give the app to the users and wait for 2 to 3 days to get all the data and kya chal raha hai, kya feedback and stuff. And then we might stop for a week, I think. Like a good week of vacation. Because
seriously, बहुत काम किया.
I have seen that. I've seen that ये क्या बोलते हैं, startup में पूरा दिन बैठे रहो and just keep working. And sure, I can do that. I can do that for 1 week. I can do that for a couple of weeks. How will you do that for an entire year? Sitting down and continuously typing on the keyboard.
That's right.
Plus, there is a point of diminishing returns, right? After a point,
Absolutely.
you will start writing garbage code, and then you'll have to correct more than you're writing.
Oh my god, no. That's the worst thing to do when you're coding. You should not do it.
I know.
Finding a good team is like, you're very lucky that you have a good team. That's all I'm going to say.
Exactly. I love all of you guys. I know all of you listen to my podcast kuch while editing, but
yeah. So are we gonna move on to some actual topics today?
I guess let's go. We don't have anything concrete as a
we're gonna read out some headlines.
Exactly. Mukesh Ambani is making news.
Yeah, man. Mukesh Ambani is way too much in the news. And he doesn't mind. Right? He doesn't mind.
Actually. He's like, one of those guys. Any PR is good. PR wala ski.
Yes. And right now, I don't think he's getting any bad PR at all. He won't be getting any bad PR for a while in the foreseeable future, unless he does something that gets him cancelled. But he's very smart.
Has Mukesh Ambani ever been cancelled?
No. He's way too rich to get cancelled. He employs way too many people.
There was a documentary, the Mukesh Ambani and Anil Ambani का fight हुआ था ना. Remember when his father died, I guess, and उनका झगड़ा हुआ था कि who will take what.
Obviously, yeah.
The fight was so problematic that it was causing an economic crisis. Like India का economy ऊपर नीचे हो रहा था उसके वजह से.
Yeah.
And I'm like, these are just two kids fighting over the property.
Exactly, guys. Work so hard that the Indian economy depends on your mood. Oh my god. Absolute genius.
I don't want to get cancelled, but sure. I have certain jokes on it, but whatever. Plus. I saw that documentary and there was an official announcement. A person went on stage with an important sabha mein or something like. I don't remember exactly, but then he was pleading them, guys, please stop fighting and divide it amongst themselves. You're hurting the economy there.
God damn. Yeah, exactly, because you never know what, because some people may be liking, this is my prediction as to what happened at the time, alright? Some people liked Anil Ambani, some people liked Mukesh Ambani, okay? And they had their own supporters and circle of people, alright?
Businessmen, influencers नहीं है.
नहीं, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना. But if you are big enough, you influence something in some way, regardless of.
Yeah, that's true.
Exactly. We are influencers right now. Someone is watching this video. We are influencing their actions.
I influenced 500 people. Oh god, I lost followers and I unfollowed like 200 people.
Yeah, that's the sad reality of social media. But my speculation is that when these two began fighting over Reliance's assets, right? The people who thought that Mukesh ke paas nahi jana chahiye certain assets, and the people who thought Anil ke paas nahi jana chahiye certain assets, they had shares in certain companies, right?
Okay. Oh, acha, you're
Haan.
talking. They withdrew their shares and stuff.
Exactly. They withdrew their shares, they sold
Oh,
their
that
shares
is a smart
based
way to
on
think about it.
based on what they thought was going on. They were like, यार अगर मुकेश के पास गया तो इसका स्टॉक गिर जाएगा, अभी बेच देता हूँ. That's how.
That is so true, and it works that way, right?
Exactly.
Like we might be completely wrong. We never know.
Exactly.
Whatever.
As I said, this is just speculation as to how I think it might have worked, but it sounds like a pretty legit way of influencing the stock market. Definitely. Elon Musk के tweet से भी गिर गया था टेस्ला का स्टॉक कितना ज्यादा. People lost thousands of dollars. So yeah, I mean,
but
the stock market is a prediction of the future essentially.
Exactly.
So first the market gets, so first the stock market gets there, and then the economy catches up. It's like that. Sanjay, so before, so for example, if Apple is acquiring a company, right? So before the acquisition of the company, the change in the stock market has already happened. So
okay.
so people, so जो company Apple acquire कर रहा है, उसका stocks का जो भी exchange है, जो भी selling buying होना था, वो हो गया before the company got acquired. समझा? So the stock market catches up first.
People,
So whatever happens in the stock market is a prediction of the future. It's like that. So
I never thought of it.
That's not the point. Yeah, guys, listen to Tanmay Bhatka podcast. This is where all of that comes
Honestly,
from.
by Tanmay Bhatt, right?
Yeah.
That is the one good thing he's producing. Uska vlogs have gone to.
Yeah. Vlogs, I'm not a big fan of vlogs. मैं 2-3 देखता हूँ बस, मेरे mood पे depend करता है.
Oh, I love vlogs. It's just that uska content has really gone down. Like,
yeah,
पे रह रहे कि क्या ही कर लेगा वैसा वाला feel आ
exactly.
गया.
It's fun to see him try new
sad,
things and fail at them, but that's completely fine. घर पे बैठे बैठे जितना हो सकता है बेचारा कर रहा है वो भी.
But I don't know. Like there has been this push to extremes, I guess. Like long form content is working, but if you're producing vlogs, people like the short form, like more punch in the vlog, less bullshit. Like, you know,
of course.
The thing is, used to see Logan Paul and stuff making 18-minute vlogs and stuff. And abhi David Dobrik and people are making 4-minute vlogs and it's killing it. Like, uska average views 10 million hai.
It really depends on the audience that
the
you
type
have.
Of content, I guess.
Yeah, type of content, definitely. Your content attracts a certain demographic of audience, and it just basically depends on your audience. Has David always been making short vlogs?
Yeah, he was a viner na pehle.
Oh, so uske vlogs 4 minute, 5 minutes से ज़्यादा नहीं होते.
It is exactly 4 minutes 20 seconds.
20 seconds. That's what I heard. That's what I heard. And
but they are so ऐसा like
they're very crunchy.
Like every bit के बाद you are laughing. So it's
exactly.
Like normally what people do is they'll make it long so that they earn more revenue on the video and they'll put those bits as idhar. But he just skips the bullshit and he'll buy cars and the video will still be 4 minutes 20 seconds. So uska bas 30 seconds is part of the buying car wala process. My God, this guy's crazy. I really like short form content, alright, because it forces you to think. And it forces you to innovate and put as much content as you can in as little time as possible. I really prefer short form content. This is why I really love ads, right? I'm a big time ad. अब तो ads का और problem हो गया, right? We have gotten immune to them. ऐसे कि Instagram में आ जाता है, we just scroll it.
Exactly.
And you have to be innovative, I guess. You know, I saw a great example इसका. I was scrolling through Instagram and story pe I saw this ad. We know ads are shitty, so here is a cute picture of some squirrel or something like that to.
I think I've seen. I think I've also seen.
I went to that brand ka page, so it worked for them.
Exactly. People, brands are spending millions of dollars to occupy 6 inches. All right. So I mean, they have to really be innovative. That's what I'm saying, right? Ads and short form content force you to. They have to imagine, dude. You have an entire brand and you have to represent your brand in 30 seconds. That's a lot of pressure, all right. And you have to generate leads and get
Plus
more
अभी
customers in 30
quarantine
seconds.
चालू है.
Exactly. And people
No, this reminds me of
Hmm?
people have gotten really creative quarantine with it. You remember that Apple wala ad? It was a continuation of previous ad. Iska work from home wala.
Yes.
They had the work series work with iPad and
Yep,
Apple
yep,
stuff, and
yep,
then
yep.
Abhi work from home. They did an amazing job. Although they had a big crew, I think it's not possible to shoot that entire thing alone. But still, they have gotten really creative. Sab log have everyone is got.
True.
Like
true,
this,
honestly.
coming back to that point of the businesses you see right now, the big businesses, most of them were born out of a recession or something going wrong.
Right.
And this is the time. This is a great time to strike, guys. If you have something art and it, because kuch bhi hua, you can just say, "Ha, Corona tha, I failed class because there was a pandemic." Come on. And so you can just start doing what you like.
You can blame your
That's really
failures on
bad
the
advice.
pandemic. That's what I'm really saying.
Yeah, exactly. Pandemic tha. I couldn't paint the canvas.
Oh, bhai, nice. Ek number. But Advait giving life hacks out here. But what
Don't do as I say, not as I do.
But the point of this was that stock markets they're very volatile. They're dependent on the consumer, right? Agar if 1,000 people decide कि हाँ मेरे को stocks बेचना है, those 1,000 people affect the stock market of millions other people. समझा?
Also, it's just dumbasses driving dumbasses.
Exactly.
That's the
Exactly.
best.
It's not the
And
stock
by the way, we
market.
are not financial experts. Do not take your advice from us. You know, I heard that people can take legal action if you don't say that.
Yeah, completely possible, man. Yeah. A lot of people.
We're just two kids. We don't even have any money.
Please, yeah. If you have money, please sponsor us.
Yes. Perfect. Then we'll give you financial advice.
Yeah. We'll research and give you
Not
proper
necessarily
financial-
good advice.
But financial
Come on,
advice.
sponsored us. You don't care about their money anyway.
But I was saying ki
What was the point?
the point was, I'm coming to the point, that stock markets are not dependent on an entity which thinks before it does. It's not planned. The stock market is not planned. Okay? Stock market is basically bhed chal, which India is very good at. Bhed chal is sheep mentality. What one person does, everybody else tends to do the same thing. That's essentially the stock market. अब मैं तेरे को बोलूँगा कि अरे अद्वैत ये stock का प्राइस बहुत गिरने वाला है, जल्दी से बेच दे. तो तू जाके और 10 लोग को बोलेगा और 10 लोग और 100 लोग को बोलेंगे. That's essentially sheep mentality, and then everybody is like, okay, sell kar do, and then the stock ka price falls. That's literally the stock market.
The stock market is college on steroids.
It's a bunch of stupid college kids.
Hey bro, तेरे को पता है क्या? ये इधर ये हुआ. Oh, क्या बात कर रहा है? Damn man.
Oh, bhai, nice. Exactly. That's a very good analogy that you've drawn for our audience.
I don't see myself going into the stock market as a full time. It is so boring. You see numbers all day. Like whatever it is, whatever job you have, even if it's 9 to 5, as long as you're creating something, you're writing code, you're doing this, you're providing support, there is something new happening. And इधर तुम numbers देख रहे हो, just waiting, okay 100 के ऊपर जाएगा, then I'll send 10 million there, okay done. Oh yeah, I'm 10 million richer and 30% less happier.
Nice. That's how actually a lot of people look at it. But I have gotten into stock markets, trading, mutual funds a lot recently. Even though I'm not earning any money, I just like to learn more about it.
Spend money.
And the thing that summed it up for me was like Tanmay Bhatt again. Yeah, Tanmay Bhatt said it. Go watch Tanmay Bhatt and see Rachna around it. Okay, on YouTube. And he said that imagine if you invest 10 rupees into Reliance Industries Limited. All right, the entire manpower, there's thousands and thousands of employees who are working while you sleep, so that those 10 rupees increase to 20 rupees. समझ रहा है?
I get.
Exactly. That's the appeal of the stock market. People think it's not easy money. There's a lot of calculations.
It's not easy money. It's just that, yeah, you are earning money. That's true. You're earning money while you're sleeping. but I don't see myself doing it every day, waking up and doing it for कितना होता है
Yeah,
stock market is
exactly,
9 to
exactly. The
5
thing
or
is-
9 to 3, right?
Yeah, the people who do it that way is that's an unwise way to do it. I would suggest you should after like
And but someone will have to do it, no? Like,
that's why
The way
people who invest into
I
stock
know
with big
people who trade stock is they have someone there who they
That's why-
contact कि आज इसका इतना खरीद.
that's why CAs exist, dude. Do exactly that.
Oh,
Chartered accountants. Yep. They monitor the markets and they tell their clients what to do and what not to do with the money because clients don't have time to look at their phones and check stock prices all day. So
Huh.
chartered accountants वही करते हैं.
I would like to meet someone who does it all day. I don't know. I want to ask him ki.
If he does
Why?
it all day, then that's most probably his profession. He's getting paid to do it all day.
I know he's getting paid to do it, but okay, there are people who will do anything to do it, and this is nothing
Yeah.
compared to what people are.
Yeah, I would.
Yeah, I just don't. Would you like just sitting there as a okay? अब ग्राफ ऊपर गया, buy. Sorry, sell.
Nah.
नीचे गया, better buy.
Man, I don't reply to Instagram messages. What are you talking about? ये सब मैं नहीं करूँगा. I don't know. I believe I'll do it for like 1 week max, 2 week max, and maybe I'll do it like 3 times a day. I will wait for it to go up and down. थोड़ा दिमाग लगा के invest करने का. So you won't have to look at it every second. That's lame. But
I used to have this computer teacher, you know, who पढ़ाते he used to keep his phone चालू and he had this caffeine mode करके on where the screen always stays on. And he used to buy and sell उधर ऐसा. Okay, kids, this is a stack, array का pointer, $400 इधर and ये is.
that's crazy.
I used to do that.
That's bad.
Why?
That's bad practice.
The only time he stopped is when his mom called him. I remember that.
Holy
His
shit,
mom
how-
called and he's like, okay, गया $500 छोड़. हाँ मम्मी बोलो.
How old was he?
He wasn't that. I think he was in his mid
20s
or
में रहेगा.
30s.
हाँ,
Like
exactly.
midlife crisis में था. हमें कंप्यूटर पढ़ा रहा था तो.
Quarter life crisis. But yeah, I think youngsters tend to do that a lot. They're like, oh, पैसा कमाएंगे बहुत सारा. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है. People who are experienced in their 30s, 35s, they know how to do it properly. I just don't want his interest to die
मर
out.
जाएगा उधर पहुंचने से पहले.
Wait. If like just do it right and don't let your interest die. Like it's a great investment. That's all I'm saying. And it's full of risks. So
I'd just
So
put it there and then not worry about it for a long time.
Huh.
Something like that.
yeah. If you're putting it into a good company which you know ki won't
Huh.
boobo-fy in the next 1 year, 5 years, you'll be fine. Those are long-term
And I will
investments.
invest in
essentially.
my company.
That's
Like
right.
once that's, you know, I was thinking about that day. We are talking about money, and I was down at 4 a.m. running. I can't sleep, so I go and run.
Yeah.
And then I come and sleep.
Yeah.
It's weird. Don't do it. I'll die early. And do as I say, not as I do. So, so I was listening to this podcast and stocks वगैरह.
Hmm.
What happened is I was thinking कि at what point is the money you have enough?
Enough.
As in there are a lot of people who don't have enough money, like not even to eat and stuff, and not just that money, the way it's made is it's required for a lot of stuff, and a lot of it is required to get small amounts of stuff done. Like if you have to push the limits of science and vagera, you have to invest a lot of money. I know money doesn't correctly translate to science ka advancement, but a lot of money has to be put just to get a little ahead.
Yep.
Like the large
Especially in
hadron
the
collider और ये
21st
सब
century.
बनाने में कितना लगता है.
Yeah. There's hundreds of billions.
And sometimes those experiments straight out don't work. So like failure rate ज़्यादा है. So you know, I was thinking ऐसा कि at what point should we, like as a billionaire, if I become a billionaire, for example. So okay, I'll keep some for myself. I'll keep enough ki if I wake up at subah and I want to go to Switzerland, man. I have enough money to have the most lavish vacation I can. But that won't require itna much. Yeah, sure, it will take 1 million for a vacation. But once you're a billionaire, you have 100 million and you're earning constant interest in that.
Yep.
And so after a point, you're just wasting it being kept there.
All right. Yes.
So if that is about cash, you know, I know people का equity में होता है, their stock में रहता है, इसमें रहता है. but बैंक अकाउंट में भी काफी लोगों को काफी ज्यादा रहता है.
Honestly.
So I was thinking कि after I get to a certain amount, I haven't decided that amount there, but I'll just give it away like ऐसा. You know, like if I had
exactly.
enough, I'll just end poverty there and
Yep.
there. And ending poverty is really hard. You know, I was just thinking about it that day, and I thought
It is.
I don't just
It
rich people
definitely
buy
is.
food for poor people.
ऐसा नहीं होता है.
But even if the richest person uses most of his wealth to buy a lot of poor people, that would be just 1 या 2 दिन का खाना.
Exactly.
So that is not sustainable. You have to, instead of giving them food, you have to teach them how to
fish.
Like,
Nice one.
I forgot. Do you know that?
Totally fine. Yep. So exactly, it poverty won't end in like a day. It'll take decades of change, significant change. That will happen only after we get sorted with our basic necessities of food and wars and giving basic education to people and stuff like that. It happens on a very macro level.
While thinking about, I'm not calling out any billionaire or whatever, they don't even care. But if you think about it, agar top ka few people, like, you know, become Mr. Beast for some time, like top ka few people,
damn.
a lot of problems will get solved really quickly. Like,
True.
really quickly, as in say, 1-2 दिन में नहीं, but it's not taking 20 years, it will take maybe 2 or 3 years.
1 or 2, exactly.
And I'm not just talking as a poverty solve करना या ये करना, ending wars or something. You can even push science and make profit out of it बाद में. You know? Like maybe you find some new energy ka source. It took you a lot of money, but imagine how much you can earn from it. वैसा.
Of course. That's right. Hopefully that happens by the time we grow up, or hopefully one of us does
Yeah,
it.
exactly.
You know?
Once you see Mr. Beast, I think he'll inspire a lot of new.
Bro, he already has inspired a lot of people. I mean,
I know. And even if these billionaires might do it for their own good, कि ऐसा long term में उनके लिए better है for socially, there's still people, there's still good things happening in the world.
Exactly. That's right. Speaking of good things happening in the world, Reliance invested in a lingerie company.
What?
Yeah, you don't know?
Nah. I heard Netmeds wala, but
bro, we covered that in the last week ka shorts also. Go check it out on our Instagram handle.
I should start watching my own shorts, man.
Yeah.
I get called out for this way too many times.
Yeah, it's totally fine. The thing is, I shoot
But
and
मैं
edit.
देखा था यार.
Like it's a very.
नहीं मेरे को याद है. मैं देखा था last time a friend of mine told me कि David Dobrik को कितना पैसा दोगे when we released that TikTok paying its creators वाला short. And I'm like, oh, so you watched that Colin and Samir का video? And she's like, नहीं मैं तेरा देखी. Do you even watch your own shorts? And I'm like, oh नहीं. फिर मैं जाके तीनों देखा मेरा.
Nice. I should start tagging myself so people come and ask me. Oh भाई, nice. Yes, so we covered that.
मैंने बस last time का नहीं देखा था. I watched all shorts, okay?
Hey, no worries, man. Completely fine. What do you think? Do you think Ambani watches all of TikTok? No, he does not.
Yeah, but
I'm kidding.
I think he should.
Man, फिर
Like, imagine Ambani making a TikTok as a giving away
oh भाई,
all the cars in this garage. You can take anyone as long as you find the keys to them.
holy shit, treasure hunt to find the keys.
You know, as a
to my
treasure
Mercedes
hunt पूरा
Benz.
Antalica है ना उसका.
Antilla. Oh
Antilli.
damn. That's a great
Antilla.
idea. It's a great idea.
Treasure hunt in Antilla.
Holy
and
shit.
instead of finding keys, they find more gold there, so they just take that instead of keys.
Oh भाई, अरे बाप रे, थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो गया. But that's a great idea. Sounds like fun. If I was a billionaire, I would probably do that. Just stuff for just fun. But then again, I don't know. I'm just 20.
As a billionaire.
It's 21.
Like, okay, we are not billionaires. We don't know how stuff works. We might change our opinions later and become traditional billionaires. But you can do a lot of cool shit if you have a lot of money.
And people are doing cool shit. Reliance is doing cool shit.
Yeah, I know. Even
is
if
doing
they
cool
are not billionaires, like even David Dobrik is giving cars away and Mr. Beast is here. Like, I want to make a vlog someday where I'll start as आज स्विट्जरलैंड जाने का मन कर रहा है and we just go.
Oh, bhai. And Mr. Beast doesn't earn as much as we think he does. Most of his money he just puts back into
But
his
he's
channel.
not going in loss.
He's not going as
He's not
yeah.
going.
I think he's living up below his means and like the bare minimum, but most of his what do you call it, kharcha just goes back into his channel. And the fact that he pulls a minimum of again 10-15 million views on every video is how he's also able to keep his channel alive, because the brands that sponsor him pay him a lot of money.
हाँ अरे नहीं, उस दिन का I calculated, even I thought कि David Dobrik is giving away most of his money cars खरीदने में, तो I thought oh wait, तो he'll keep earning bare minimum, but नहीं वैसा नहीं है. तो I did the math that day. So I saw this podcast or something where Ian is from SeatGeek. His surname is something, but he has become Ian from SeatGeek. He's the person who is responsible for influencer marketing. SeatGeek is David Dobrik का main sponsor.
SeatGeek is like huge. I need to read up about them.
David Dobrik gets 10 million views.
All right.
7 zeros. 10 million views, right?
Yes, 10 million.
So the way influencer marketing is done is cost per 1,000 views.
1,000 clicks, barabar.
So divide by 1,000, and that should get you 10,000.
10,000.
Okay. अभी YouTube pays approximately like ऐसा सारे जगह का एवरेज बहुत बड़ा एवरेज लिया तो $1 per 1,000 views. तो उसको अगर if he monetized on YouTube, he would still get $10,000 per video. But sponsorships work differently, and for
Very
a creator who's as high as David Dobrik, they get $30 per 1,000 views. So multiply that by 30. So that is $300,000.
$300,000, yeah.
The car with maximum upgradations जो उसने दिया है would cost him $40,000 to $50,000. So per video $250,000 उसको मिल रहा है फिर भी. So it's not like they're like, I haven't calculated Mr. Beast का, but David Dobrik is not living below his means.
David, I told you, I think, did I tell you this in the last podcast that Mr. Beast sold all his gaming stuff? I think you know this.
I didn't know that.
No, he sold all his
gaming stuff as in?
Yeah, he sold all his gaming computers, all his TVs, everything. And this happened like 3 weeks ago, and he was like, I'm just gonna live below my means, and in like 1-room apartment. I'm content doing that. I just want to earn as much money and give away as
great guy.
He's like, I want to earn as much money. I want to give away as much money as possible, and I don't want anything to distract me from this work that I do. So he was like, I'm not gonna game anymore.
I saw his tweet that day where he has 2 new channels, right? Mr. Beast Gaming and Mr. Beast Reacts. I don't know the exact names.
I don't know.
But so I saw his tweet he wants to earn money from these channels so that he can run his main channel.
Yeah, I saw that also. That's right. Yeah.
So I mean, that's pretty cool. He's one of very few like top 1% or people who are that philanthropic. Will you call this philanthropy?
It looks to me as philanthropy. What exactly is philanthropy?
I don't know.
I think what he's doing is philanthropy.
The exact difference.
Person who seeks to promote the welfare of others, especially by the generous donation of money to good causes. Yeah.
It's good cause in a way that he's making them happy. It's not good cause in a way. I mean, good and good up. Dono ka chuck it, man. Mr. Beast.
Yeah, Mr. Beast is amazing. So yeah, that's why I said that Mr. Beast was like spending more than he was earning. Not in that sense, but I just said that he was living below his means. That's why I said, because he said it himself. David Dobrik ka meko nahi malum. I've never taken an interest in his vlogs.
Such a cool guy. Like I have become a huge. I watched all 600 vlogs. Like I guess I missed few, but Sarah. So multiply 4 minutes. How is 4 minutes?
24.
260 seconds, right? To around 600 vlogs.
Why are you converting into seconds, man? तो confuse क्यों कर रहा है मुझे?
अरे तो 4 minutes 20 seconds को कैसे multiply करूँ?
अच्छा हाँ ठीक है.
That is 43 hours of David Dobrik.
Hey, that's it.
Approximately. That's not a lot, but
no, it is a lot for the kind of content that he makes. Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
This punches after punches.
Everyone should go watch David Dobrik, man.
Yeah, that's right. I've heard he's very nice. So good job, David. Keep it up.
If you see this David Dobrik, fund my startup.
Yeah.
I did that day, you know. Mr. Beast got tweets. Okay, I'm gonna give her $10,000, and I retweet. If someone retweets, I retweeted it saying fund my startup, Lama. He hasn't posted the results yet, or 72 hours हो गया, so.
Nice. He must be sleeping. What were we talking about?
Yeah.
Nothing in particular.
I have no clue. We just
I
went
was-
off topic. That's what happens. when
That's
you do this.
completely fine.
You know, we
Do
should
you-
do these episodes. Let's
Yeah,
saying what
it's
we
casual.
like,
Yeah.
once in five.
Yeah. You can, oh, by the way, you can also drop down any suggestions for topics that you have. Cool.
So we have another topic that TikTok sues US government. I didn't know you could sue your government. You know,
Yeah, even I did.
why
Because,
are Indian doing that again?
because we don't have a law like that in India. I'm just kidding. I have no clue.
What?
I don't know. I didn't know that you could actually sue a government. But
Huh,
yeah,
actually.
TikTok sued the
TikTok's
government
doing
because TikTok is number of users on TikTok is technically more than the population of America, so I think that's why they can sue America. As expected, TikTok has filed a lawsuit against the US
But
government.
they filed it for. They didn't file it for why are you removing us? They're saying ki you did not do complete procedural
complete
stuff
procedure, yeah. You
for
didn't,
us and
आप लोगों ने
looking
बताया-
into it.
basically बिना warning के
हाँ.
it's
Oh no,
it's what
I think it's for warning. It's for हाँ ठीक है ban हुआ, but then they were given this period, right? कि will prove कि ऐसा नहीं है, and they are saying कि we put the data in servers in US. We have a US based CEO and stuff. It's just, and it's basically them redeeming their last chances.
Yep. After
A lot of lawsuits are happening. Apple and Epic
man.
Games. Epic Games.
2020 is gonna end with
We
a
made a
bang.
shorts on that. See, I watch my own shorts. I know this guy short hai.
Yes. Not because you made the thumbnails for them, definitely not, but because you watched them. TikTok said it would have preferred to continue conversations rather than turn to litigation, but the company feels its hands are tied at this point, with the executive order threatening to bring a ban on our US operations, eliminating the creation of
Arey,
10,000 American jobs. Yep, that is one of the strong points that they have.
हाँ वही. Plus, you know how Trump was creating problems इसमें Microsoft के deal में. So Trump is cool with Oracle buying it. You know what Oracle is?
Yeah, it's
They're
software
the guys who
company, right?
created Java.
Yeah,
They're the
yeah.
ones who created Java.
Yeah.
And okay, let's just put it in nice words and let's just say they are not the most updated company in the world.
Yeah, I know.
And I'm like, why is Oracle coming out of nowhere and buying this? Like, come on. And then the more I read into it, the Oracle ka CEO is really good friends with Trump and stuff.
Trump, yeah.
So it's just
Nice.
business
See,
at this point. It's
that
not
is-
about
Exactly.
country ka
I was also
profit.
gonna bring this point up around earlier when you said that poverty is not solved in a day. I was also saying these companies and Jeff Bezos, there's a lot of politics that also affects economics and LLC companies and private limited companies. A lot of politics affects the stock market. A lot of politics affects poor people and rich people directly, indirectly. So that is also another complication that runs when it comes to addressing world issues such as poverty, because the roots of politics run very deep, and it's going to take decades
I
to
know. And
do something
politics
about.
was meant to be this good thing that will help everyone. It just has become so bad that
It's a
we're
double-
used to it.
It's like most things in this world, it's a double-edged sword, right? Depends on how you use it.
Yeah, it's a double-edged sword, but वो sword हमें बहुत ज़्यादा बार लग रहा है at this point.
Yeah, because the people
Like,
who
I-
wield it are stupid, so they're untrained.
I guess.
Wow, what an analogy.
Like a lot of people have problem with partisans and stuff. But smaller countries have figured it out properly, like New Zealand and these countries have a nice metric ki happiness, and they have smaller populations, and the reason they have smaller populations is because the countries are pretty small.
Come on.
That is the one thing I've learned there. Ki it's easy to control a less amount of people, right? That's
Of course, 100%. Definitely.
हाँ तो वही I don't know, maybe we should states की जगह we should just have states, countries की जगह just have states. No. I'm gonna get cancelled for saying partition or whatever.
P word बोल दिया अद्वैत ने.
Oh. But नहीं, we'll figure something out, guys. Don't worry.
Yep, the world
That
will
would
not
become
end in
millionaire
2020,
first.
hopefully.
What is
Then-
the last thing you would like to do? Like if someone told you, okay, 2020 is gonna end next month, what would you do? Ek month.
Hey man, that's a tough question. I would.
I know it's on the spot. And we have
Yeah.
last 20 minutes, so anyway, it's a bit time waster. Time wasting, come on, you're getting to know us. Normally you listen to tech, now you listen to life fall apart.
What would I do? For what? I think I would hang out with my friends that I haven't hung out in a long time. I would read all the books I can. I would probably go on a vacation with my family. I would do that definitely.
Oh, you can't go on a vacation now, abhi. Abhi ke abhi. If someone told you कि एक month में world end होने वाला, what
फिर
would
तो
you do?
सीन हो जाएगा bro.
हाँ,
But
because
yeah,
everyone has
Hey,
plans कि
who
oh, I
said-
would hang out.
who
go
said
on
you
a
can't go on
vacation.
vacation? We can go on vacation.
No, you can't. No, every locked. अच्छा, okay, मतलब अभी थोड़ा relax हो गया है. It's just that
हाँ, I don't.
you have a last month. You don't want to get contacted with COVID, right? अभी last month है तो मर जाएगा.
हाँ, exactly. That's the thing that I have in my mind कि यार what the heck अभी तो एक काम करते हैं last week में कर देते हैं. Vacation.
Oh, smart.
My God, I'm so
क्या
smart.
वो improvise,
So smart.
adapt, overcome.
So yes, the last week of this world, I'm gonna go on vacation with my family. I'll do that. उससे पहले सब दोस्त से मिल लूंगा और books पढ़ लूंगा. I don't know if I'll watch
I would take family and friends साथ में.
anything. हाँ, nah, I would.
Vacation.
I would do that.
Nah, I'm close to my friends.
That's great.
What would I do? Wait.
No, that's not the
I'll
reason. That's
just-
go ahead.
So what I would watch Netflix काफी ज़्यादा. So for those who don't know, I don't watch a lot of content like movies. के form में.
Exactly.
I have
Same,
made
same.
watching movies a social event कि weekend के time I collect 5-6 of my friends and we go on a meet call and then we play the movie together so that even though I'm watching a movie, it's a social experience, so I get two things that done at once. So it's fun. It's really fun. When I don't take Netflix, it's really addicting. Like I use my friend ka Netflix and I would just launch Netflix instead of YouTube and I would watch a movie. Their
Damn.
algorithms
That's
really
crazy.
great. Huh.
I don't do that. Wow.
But I have this, dream. Okay, so I'll put it basic. Just I have planned a lot of stuff. Ki I want to accomplish this in my life. Okay? And when the
Nice.
last thing is over, all I do is end it like aisa. And these are not aisa ki I would become
Cyanide
a
khalo.
billionaire, become a trillionaire. These are products
Acha.
that I want to make and bring in this world so that people remember me and it helps a lot of people. And after that last one, I'm going to be just like, oh, I guess I'm done. Okay. Now I'm going to go in my theater, buy Netflix, not the subscription, the company, and just watch film.
Buy Netflix. Nice. A theater sounds like a good idea. That's a great.
And एक अच्छा
I remember
nice
that.
theater,
Of course,
with
like one of
all
those lying
all
down
the bells
ones.
and whistles.
हाँ, लेट के देख सकते हैं मस्त.
Oh, हाँ.
7.1 surround sound.
I think Bombay में there is that one theater where you can sleep and watch. I didn't know that. I thought वो कोरिया में ही exist करता है. I might just take that theater.
You're like India में luxury कैसा?
And Mumbai में है
Mumbai.
one.
हाँ यार, unfortunately मुंबई में है.
Mumbai is such a weird city. There is no place to stand in trains, but you can sleep and watch a movie in theater.
You just summed up capitalism in one sentence.
Why are you guys still listening? Well, if you're listening, nice job.
Good
You guys
job.
are amazing. I hope you guys are having fun too. You guys are thinking, what would you guys do actually? Put it in the comments. You have 1 month left, and Corona is still there. So if you get what do you call it? Contracted? What?
Infected.
What's the word? COVID अगर
Affected.
हो जाता था. Affected नहीं. There is a C word.
Diagnosed.
हाँ, if you get नहीं C से यार.
C से.
हाँ, I forgot the word. Contract is probably a very wrong word. But if you get diagnosed with COVID-19,
Contract. It's
Kumara
contract.
last month goes in an hospital. So you have to be careful.
So yes, don't copy my idea of going on vacation last week. Okay, don't be
But I
copycat.
guess, okay. If a lot of people do it, then सब fail हो जाएंगे. So you have to be careful किधर जाना है.
Exactly. So yes, all of you go to Taj Mahal. I'll go to Paris.
You know where I would go?
Uh,
So there is this village. I forgot the country का नाम, but उसका picture from one angle, ठीक है, एक particular angle is so popular. वो Apple TV का background रहता है and ये रहता है. It is so popular and a lot of people come there. But it is just that village का. तो उसके neighboring village जो है ना, they are empty as fuck. So you can go there, restaurant. You might be the only person sitting in the restaurant and stuff. I would like to do that. Like I would go someplace remote जहाँ लोग मेरे को disturb नहीं करेंगे. It's the last week. No one cares about social media and anything. Internet नहीं होगा तो भी ठीक है. I just download whatever I'm gonna watch and just go there with my friends and just enjoy it. Enjoy the last week of the month.
that's how my brain thinks. When you said कि रेस्टोरेंट में एक ही बंदा होगा ऐसा पॉसिबल है, तो मैं सोच रहा हूँ वो रेस्टोरेंट खुला कैसे फिर?
I mean,
How is it
anyway,
open?
The staff and you.
I understand. Nice.
But imagine being the only
भाई
guy.
son, that's not what I meant. I meant कि कस्टमर ही अगर एक आ रहा है उनके पास तो चला कैसे
हाँ,
रहा वो
but
लोग
village में restaurants चलते हैं ना. It's just
हाँ हाँ
supply that
yeah.
business model, man.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Would you
Yep,
meet
that's
all
how
your
we
friends?
start.
College का? College का? School से, starting से? Nah, not worth it.
Are you mad about no बच्ची? Well, exactly. I'm gonna meet like 20 नहीं उतना तो 35 people. Maximum
that's-
50 people check. Maximum
हाँ,
50
wait.
people.
But you meet 150
Maximum.
people in your entire lifetime. So saying 50. Would you meet your LinkedIn contacts?
Gee, what? My LinkedIn contacts? नहीं. What the heck? No.
Nah, for sure.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Guys, talking about ending stuff. I think this podcast has to come
Talking about the world
to an
ending.
end.
Yeah.
The
Right,
best thing
right.
in the world is ending right now.
Fair enough. That's right. Sadly.
So,
But yes, this was the episode 11th of the
11.
Unfortunate Podcast. We are on audio platforms, Google Podcast, Spotify, Pocket
oh,
Cast.
you know, our Google podcast is messing up. उसने 10th episode release ही नहीं किया Google episode पे, Google podcast पे. I sent them a
Why did you
support ticket and stuff. We uploaded just on one platform, right? It gets distributed
Anchor.
automatically. हाँ.
Yeah. Anchor पे
So-
उसने नहीं डाला.
मैंने डाला.
डाला?
It's on iTunes, Spotify, हर जगह. Just Google podcast.
Oh shit. That's messed up.
We are getting banned, guys.
The thing is, Google Podcasts पे it's way more difficult to get on Google Podcasts. For some, like when I did my own podcast, what's the point? The last platform that it appeared on was Google Podcasts.
Oh, हमारे केस में it was iTunes. Google podcast पे
It's
came
so
earlier.
huge.
Oh,
Really?
no,
That's
Google
great.
podcast where it didn't come. I had to put it specifically. I had to give it the RSS link and stuff. So that's why it happened early.
Shit. हाँ
हाँ.
अच्छा तो फिर ठीक है नहीं but Anchor gave my podcast to Google Spotify काफी Google Podcast काफी late so
Spotify पे तो
Yeah,
instantly
it's
आ
quite
जाता है, काफी जल्द.
Spotify तो खरीद लिया अभी Anchor को खरीद लिया Spotify में से instantly आता है
ठीक है.
smart है Spotify बहुत smart है
Spotify is really smart most in video. They pay Apple Music, so whatever.
exactly cool so we'll end the episode here.
We'll end the
thank you for
episode here.
listening to
Thank you guys for coming. Acha, okay. Go ahead to it. Sorry.
yeah,
my bad.
we really appreciate you giving us our time. If you have some more time, you can go check out our Instagram handles, the Unengineered Podcast, and I'm Antique Boy. This is Life of Advait on Instagram. We'll be coming at you next week again with another episode. I hope we did the outro right.
We might
with
have
this.
some tech. We might have some tech next week.
Yeah, we hopefully we'll mostly have tech next week. Don't worry. And if you have any suggestions for topics,
except suing each other.
if you have any suggestions for topics, let us know in the comments below. And that's pretty much it. We'll see you next week on the Unengineered Podcast. Until then, get unengineered.
Goodbye.